So the cosmonaut, he's the first man to ever go to space, right? The Russians beat the Americans. So he goes up in this big spaceship, but the only habitable part of it is very small. So the cosmonaut is in there, and he's got his portal window, and he's looking out of it, and he sees the curvature of the Earth for the first time. He's the first man to ever look at the planet he's from. And he's lost in the moment. And at the same time, this strange ticking coming out of the dashboard. Right? He rips out the control panel, takes out his tools, trying to find the sound, to stop the sound, but he can't find it. Few hours into this, begins to feel like torture. Few days go by with the sound, and he knows that this small sound will break him. He'll lose his mind. And what's he gonna do? He's in a space closet. So the cosmonaut decides the only way to save his sanity is to fall in love with the sound. So he closes his eyes and he goes into his imagination. And when he opens them, he doesn't hear ticking anymore. He hears music. And he spends the remainder of his time sailing in total bliss and peace.